Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn handwriting to the text in Notability. So let's go here into the another note that I can show you more easily. So like that. Now I will select this TT icon here, and as you can see at the bottom it opens up a little more options. So these tools here at the bottom right corner you will see this gear icon. So the settings open up and then check these quick text boxes and make sure that it's selected this draw text box. Now what I can do is go back here and then I can draw some square right here, and if I type something like that, it will change into the text, my handwriting into the text. So I hope this helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.